Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the previous video we have discussed the basic introduction of joint bar graph. We have seen how to draw the joint bar graph. Right? Hope you have understood that lesson. If you have not watched that lesson or that video, so please watch that, because in this we are going to solve the practice set. Okay? The very first question is the number of saplings planted by schools on World Tree Day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Okay, the number of saplings are given for almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar, and the saplings which are planted by different schools, Nutan Vidyalaya and Bharat Vidyalaya, is given, and we have to draw the graph of this. Okay, so here the data is same, the sapling is same for the two schools, and we will take the saplings on one axis and the schools on the other axis. Okay, so first of all we will start by making the simple graph. Okay, first of all we are making the simple graph for one school only. Okay, here we will take the trees, okay, or the saplings. Okay, and here we will take the number of saplings. Okay, so here almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar. Almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar. And here we are taking the number of saplings. Okay, number of saplings we are taking here by 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Okay, so first of all we are drawing the graph for Nutan Vidyalaya. Okay, so for Nutan Vidyalaya the sapling for almond is 40. So for almond it is 40. For karanj it is 60. Okay, for karanj it is 60. Then for neem it is 72. Somewhere here. Okay, you have to draw this on your graph paper or graph copy. I am drawing here for explaining. Okay, then for ashok 15 and for gulmohar 42. For ashok there is 15 and for gulmohar there is 42. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so for one school, that is Nutan Vidyalaya, where we can draw the graph like this. Here is the origin 0. For one Vidyalaya we can draw the graph like this, but here we have to draw the giant bar graph. Okay, so how would we draw? In the same graph we will join the graph of other school. Like this graph is for Nutan Vidyalaya, and if we have to draw the joint bar graph of both the schools, then we will join the entries of other school in the bars of this. Okay, like this is Bharat Vidyalaya, has 42 saplings of almond, 38 saplings of karanj, 60 of neem, 25 of ashok, and 40 for gulmohar. So let's join these on that graph. Okay, 42 for almond. Okay, 42 for almond. So here is 40 and here is 42 for almond. We will join this. Okay, likewise I am showing here in this graph. This is the graph. We can draw the graph in this manner. These are the number of saplings: almond, karanj, neem, ashok, gulmohar, and these are the number of saplings that the schools are planted. Schools have planted. Okay, so for Nutan Vidyalaya we have take the light gray color, and for Bharat Vidyalaya we have take the dark gray color. Okay, so number of saplings for almond for Nutan Vidyalaya is 40, and for Bharat Vidyalaya it is 42. Likewise we can draw the graph like for karanj number of saplings are 60 for Nutan and 40 for Bharat Vidyalaya. In the same manner, we can draw the graph of both the schools. Okay. Now we have to make the scale. The scale is on 1 centimeter there is 10 saplings. Okay. Also we have to mention which color is for which school or which design is for which school. Okay. Here light gray is for Nutan Vidyalaya. So whenever or wherever there is a light gray color, it stands for Nutan Vidyalaya, and dark gray color stands for Bharat Vidyalaya. Okay. Hope you have understood this question. Now let's see the question number 2. The second question is, the below table shows the number of people who had different juices at a juice bar on Saturday and Sunday. We have to draw the joint bar graph for this data. Here the fruit juices are given for sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple, and the days are given. On Saturday, the one person takes 43 sweet lime juices, 30 juices of orange, 56 juices of apple and 40 juices of pineapple. First of all, we will draw the bar graph or simple bar graph for Saturday. Then we join the bar graph of Sunday on it. Okay, let's see how. Here, see the question. The different fruit juices are given: sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple, and these are the number of juices. Okay, these are the number of juices on a particular day. So first of all, we will make the graph for Saturday. Okay, this is the graph. On x-axis we can take the fruits: sweet lime, orange, apple and pineapple. Likewise, on y-axis we can take the number of juices. First of all, we will draw the graph for Saturday. Okay, for Saturday, one particular person takes 45 juices of sweet lime, 30 juices of orange, then 60 or 55 juices of apple and this 40 juices of pineapple. Okay, after that we have drawn the graph for sweet lime. Then for Saturday, now we will join the entries of Sunday in this graph. Okay, hope you have understood. So on Sunday, let's see the entry. On Sunday, 59 for sweet lime, 65 for orange, 78 for apple, 67 for pineapple. Okay, so we will make or we will join the entries for Sunday in this graph. For example, for Sunday, the particular person takes 59 juices of sweet lime, then 65 juices of orange, and likewise this bar graph shows the Sunday entries and this light graph shows the Saturday entries. Okay, so this was the answer of second question. Let's see the third question. Here the number of votes are given, and this is the booth number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and these are the votes given by men and women. Okay, so first of all, we will make a simple graph for men and then women. Okay, let's suppose this stands for men and this stands for women. Okay, we can take any design or we can take one color for men or one color for women. Okay, so here we can take the booth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we can take the votings 100, 200, 300 up to so on. Okay, so first of all, make the graph for men and then join the graph for women in that graph. Okay, see this. Here the booth number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 we have taken, and on y-axis we have taken the values or the number of votes 100, 200, 300 up to 900. Okay, and here we have also mentioned that the light color indicates for men and dark color indicates women. This is not necessary to take this gray color. We can take any color or any design for one person. Okay, or one group of persons. Okay, or we can take any design. Okay, so here this color indicates men. It means that on booth number 1, men have men have given the 200 votes, while the women has given the 700 votes. Okay, in booth number 2, men has given the 270 votes and women has given the 240 votes. Okay, 270 and 240. Likewise, we can count the number of votes for each booth given by men and women in this graph. Okay, here we have to mention the scale. On 1 centimeter we have taken the 100 votes. Okay, on 1 centimeter we have taken the 100 votes, and on x-axis there is no scale. We have just taken the booth number 1, booth number 2, booth number 3 up to booth number 5. Here we have not taken any numbers. Okay, there is no ranging in this x-axis. Okay, hope you have clear these 3 examples. In the next video we will inshallah solve the next 3 graphs. Okay, Allah Hafiz.